Good morning and welcome to JIGS BIOSTAR STUDENTZILLA. How are you all? I hope you all must be doing well. Friends, मैं हूँ आपकी दोस्त और host जिग्ना. Let's start our today's session and see what I have brought for you today. Today we shall discuss few more MCQs of Chapter 2 Sexual Reproduction in Flowering Plants Part 17. If you all are following me regularly, I hope you all know that I have already published 16 parts for MCQs for Chapter 2. If you like my video, don't forget to like and share my video, and if you are new to my channel, click the bell icon and subscribe to my channel and join me in my beautiful journey called JIGS BIOSTAR STUDENTZILLA. Let's move to the first MCQ, and it is devices used to discourage self-pollination and encourage cross-pollination are termed as dash devices. A. Breeding. B. Outbreeding. C. Inbreeding. And D. Intrabreeding. The correct option is B. Outbreeding. Yes, friends, devices used to discourage self-pollination and encourage cross-pollination are termed as outbreeding devices. Let's see here in the structure. First thing is self-incompatibility. That means the pollen grains from the same flower cannot fertilize the stigma, that is cannot be recepted by the stigma and fertilize the same ovum and produce the pollen tube and zygote. Second MCQ is dash has the ability to recognize pollen. A. Calyx. B. Corolla. C. Stamen. And D. Pistil. The correct option is D. Pistil. Yes, friends, pistil has the ability to recognize the pollen, whether the pollen is self or some other plant. Let's see here in the structure. Recognition of self is due to S gene. This gene is present on the receptors located at the top. And if S gene match, then there is a pollen germination. Let's see the third MCQ. Pollen grains germinates on the stigma to develop dash. Answer, see the options. A. Pollen tube. B. Pollen grain. C. Pollen. And D. Pollen balls. The correct option is A. Pollen tube. Yes, pollen grains germinates on the stigma and they develop the tube-like structure which is called pollen tube. Let's see here in the structure. The development of pollen tube is shown here. So, next MCQ is pollen tube enters the ovule through dash. Let's see the options. A. Style. B. Stigma. C. Micropyle. And D. Chalaza. The correct option is C. Micropyle. Yes, friends, pollen tube enters the ovule through the small opening which is termed as a micropyle. Let's move to the next MCQ. Dash is one of the major approaches of crop improvement program. The options are A. Artificial breeding, B. Artificial hybridization, C. Breeding depression, and D. None of these. The correct option is B. Artificial hybridization. Friends, artificial hybridization is the approach which is used for the crop improvement program. So, let's remember what was the previous question. And the previous question was, pollination by water is called dash. And the option goes here, anemophily, it's also called entomophily, further it is also called ornithophily, and it's also called hydrophily. So these are the synonyms which is used to describe the water pollination. So now it's a time for the today's question. Friends, not the today's question. And the question is, which techniques are used for artificial hybridization? So I will wait for your answer in my comment section. Till then, watch my video or like my video, share my video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join my beautiful journey called JIGS BIOSTAR STUDENTZILLA. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you soon again.